Today, LPG cooking stoves provide 68% thermal efficiency. Can this be more? Corporate R&D Center of Bharat Petroleum and PCRA have developed a high-performance domestic LPG cooking stove. Presenting Bharat High Star Stove that comes with high thermal efficiency, more than 74%, equivalent to BEE Star 2 rating. This is 6 to 7% more efficient than the normal burners available in India and abroad.
We started this project along with PCRA 3 years back. We benchmarked the available burners in our R&D center experimentally. The best efficiency was observed to be around 68%. We studied LPG stove parts in detail using computational fluid dynamic models. Based on this understanding, we have built prototype models and experimentally tested all these models. With these improved models, we have achieved almost 74 plus efficiency. This has been certified by BIS also. Now we are in the process of commercializing this technology through our channel partners.
This fuel-saving initiative comes with a burner top that provides optimized flame orientation, an enhanced mixing tube that ensures better air-fuel mixing, unique pan support that prevents heat loss.
The unique feature of this high-efficiency stove is improving the efficiency from the conventional 68% to 74% levels. This unique feature was made possible by our team by making design changes in the mixing tube, burner top and pan support. The newly developed stove will reduce consumption of our LPG cylinders by almost 1 cylinder per year, which will translate to almost 1.6 million metric tons of LPG per year.
Improved thermal efficiency helps a family save 1 LPG cylinder in 1 year. BPCL has filed 4 patent applications, 4 design registrations at Indian Patent Office.
This newly launched product is a winner all the way, as it generates value for all the stakeholders, the customers, the society, nation, vendors and company in equal proportion. For our customers who are always at the core of all our initiatives, it's going to bring huge cheers as they can potentially save up to 1 cylinder refill every year. We are going to use this as an USP to create differentiation with respect to the competition.
Bharat High Star will soon be rolled out through 6 leading manufacturers, which will be followed by an international launch. BPCL has received prestigious Frost & Sullivan PERP 2020 First Runner-Up Award in Environmental Leadership category.
LPG is a very clean fuel, as all of you know, and is accessible to Indian household kitchens for more than 6 decades now. It was launched in India by our predecessor company Bumishell as in the brand name of Bershane in Mumbai in 1955. I am now very equally happy for the reason that still BPCL is in forefront of to increase the efficiency of LPG stove. This improved and more energy efficient cooking stove will definitely fetch more benefits in terms of import substitution, reduce consumption of LPG at households, and last and possibly most important, reduced carbon emissions. Currently, our country consumes around 28 million ton of LPG every year, growing at 5-6%, 7% per annum. So very soon we are hitting 30 million ton. If this hot plate is made available at all the households of the country, with the concerted effort from all the stakeholders, it will result in saving of around 1.7 million ton of LPG consumption. At current price of $500 odd Saudi CP, this is around 7,000 crore per annum, rupees 7,000 crore per annum. This is in addition to reduction in CO2 reduction of around 4,800 TMT per annum. Development of energy efficient processes and products has become a research priority for BPCL Corporate R&D Center. I believe our R&D Center can come up with more innovative products in the future, more so in the space of reduction in the greenhouse emission and in the space of renewables. This year, this is high efficiency rated LPG stove is a great strategic initiative in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat mission also, and will go a long way in improving country's economic resilience. My hearty congratulations to our R&D scientists and BPCL Beyond LPG team for developing and marketing this novel product. Thank you.
With Bharat High Star Stove, save more while you serve more.